Good morning, class. The administration said I had to get the midterm done this week, so it'll be given this Thursday. So in lieu of that, I put together a review so you can get a feel for what's going to be on the test and how to do it. So I'm going to video myself doing this. The first question is how to graph an exponential function. All right? So the first thing you need to do is you look for the horizontal asymptote, which is actually what this little thing is. And the horizontal asymptote's the number being added at the back end, so it's y equals 1. So at 1, we draw a horizontal line. Okay. And we know the graph is going to approach that. Okay. The next thing we want to know is find the 0 point. What makes the exponent equal to 0? Well, that means x plus 4 must equal 0, which is x equals negative 4. So we know at negative 4, the exponent is 0. So at x equals negative 4, our equation is y equals 2 to the 0 plus 1, which is 2. Right? 2 to the 0 is 1. So at x equals negative 4, we're at 2. Now we just go 1 to the right, negative 3, and you plug in negative 3. Okay, that's going to give us y equals 2 to the first plus 1, which is 3. So when x is negative 3, y is 3. And then if you go on to negative 2, you plug it in. X equals negative 2. You get y equals 2 squared plus 1. That's 5. And that's pretty good. So you can kind of see the graph will approach the horizontal asymptote, then it's going to blow up like that. All right? The domain is all reals. And the range is restricted because y is greater than 1. It can't equal 1. It can only approach 1, so it's got to be greater than 1. All right, question number 2. Write the equation of an exponential function with base 1/2. So y equals base 1/2. That has a vertical stretch of of 5. So let me move that over. So it has a vertical stretch of 5 and has been shifted right 2 and up 12. Notice it's x minus 2 because remember your x's are liars. And that is an exponential equation that satisfies the conditions on number 2. On number 3, find the any balance after 20 years. So t equals 20. Of an account where the initial deposit of $100. So that's your principal. P is 100, and compound weekly. So n equals 52 with an annual interest rate of 3.7%, which we turn into a decimal by dividing by 100, and we have that. So writing the equation, the amount in the account equals 100, because that's our initial investment, 1 plus our interest rate of 0.037, divided by 52, that's n, to the 52 times t, which is 20 power. So you type that into your calculator. And when you do that, you get, let's see what I get, you get 100 times 1 plus 0.037 divided by 52, close parentheses, where is that? Right there, to the power of, where's the power of? Right there, to the power of 52 times 20. My calculation is that we would have, after 20 years, under these conditions, you would have $209 All right, I just typed it into my calculator, TI 32, just the way it looks. Okay, number 4. I'm just trying to decide when I'm going to break this. I think we'll go down to 6 and stop, and then I'll do another video. I don't want them to be too long. Solve the equation. Round to the nearest thousandths if needed. Well, pretty straightforward. We have an exponential. To undo the exponential, we take a log, and the log is going to be base 4. Because you have to match the bases. Right? This and that have to match. And if we do it to the left, we have to do it to the right. Okay, that gives us x plus 2 equals log base 4 of 36. So x equals log base 4 of 36 minus 2. So using my calculator and the change of base, remember log base 4, you can think of that as log of 36 divided by log of 4 minus 2. That's the change of base. Okay, so let's see. 36. Where's the log on this silly thing? Log of 36 divided by 4 log. So that's log base 4 of 36 minus 2. Oh, sorry. Okay. That equals 2.585 to 3 decimal places minus 2, which gives us 0.585 as our result, our answer for x. Okay. Solve the equation. Now this is a log. It's the reverse of number 4. So we have to isolate the logarithm. So we add 1 to both sides. Excuse me. To get the, we're trying to get the logarithm, this thing right here, by itself. So we're going to divide by -2. And you end up with log base 4 of x plus 6 equals 1. We exponentiate both sides. To get rid of the logarithm, we end up with x plus 6 equals 4 to the first power, which is 4. So x equals 4 minus 6, which is -2. Okay. I'll do 6, which is weird. 6 is probably the hardest one on this test. The amount in an account that earns interest compounded annually, n equals 1 after 3 years is, so when t equals 3, the amount in the account A is $2,080.80. Then they say after 6 years, so t equals 6. Okay. There is, the amount in the account is $2,437.99. Okay, so we have 2 pieces of information, and I'm gonna have to pause this, so I'll get back. I'll start up here. Thank you.